supposed to be talking?
No, I'll just put it in there. You could do an intro. If we do any kind of like, I'll put music over it.
Oh, okay.
All right, Thora, what are we gonna do today?
We're gonna look at the foliage here in New England.
She's perfectly scripted. She's really good at vlogging. I was just admiring her Tory Burch bag
That I got on eBay.
that she got on eBay.
Well, my husband got it on eBay.
Yeah, and we're looking at the foliage, and I was trying to video it, and she says this isn't even the good foliage. So I'm gonna have to take another. I'm gonna have to do another clip with the. Apparently, there's good foliage.
Yep.
And we're taking little doggy. Leon, where are you?
Where is he? Can you see him?
Oh, there he is. Taking Leon to doggy daycare. I gotta see the doggy daycare ladies. I might have to come in.
I don't know if the regulars are going to be there today.
Oh, because it's
Maybe
Saturday.
she is. There's two to three regulars.
They love Leon at doggy daycare.
I love him. Well, they don't hand it right to him.
Oh, they don't?
He's not a customer.
Oh, they're not gonna give him the pup cup?
Thank you.
Oh my god. This would be, you know what? I probably shouldn't look at hard goods stuff because that would be really hard to bring home.
Yep.
Thank you. Okay, thank you.
Okay, friends, it's been a full day. I only ended up with 2 items from that thrift store, but it was so fun to go somewhere new, and the items I got are really good. Probably things I'll send into Thredup. So I got this Eileen Fisher sweater. It's a size medium. And it's like a long gray asymmetrical length sweater, and it feels like some kind of wool blend, and it was only $4.95. So this is awesome. I'm just checking the 100% merino wool. That's awesome. And then this is a designer, Carlisle. I think it might be kind of an older designer, but it's a silk top. So I think this will do well on Thredup. I could have got tons of stuff, but they were closing and I have to carry it all back in my suitcase somehow. So nice to spend the day with you, friends, and I'll see you soon. Bye.